going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm working on a 2020 Tesla Model 3, and as you can see, we're gonna install these brake caliper covers. They're gonna be right here. It's gonna look nice and clean. And also we're gonna install these plastic covers for the rims. They go over here. You have to lift the car a little bit so you can get a little bit of gap in between the rim and the tire. And if you can deflate the tire. There's no big deal, it's just a regular tire like any other car, nothing special. Just deflate the tire, and then we're gonna install these bad boys in the car. So stay tuned for this outcome of this car, guys. Alright guys, so to install these covers, as you can see, they're already in, really nice. What we have to do is take off the cap for the valve, and you're gonna use one of these tools to remove the center of the valve. And you're gonna do this for all the tires in the car, so it can make the process a lot better. Because if you're doing it with air on it, it's gonna be really difficult to install these plastic covers on the wheel. Now I'll show you how you can install it really quick. So once you remove the valve and all the air is out, you're gonna need also a rubber hammer, and just gently tap it across the wheel so it can loose the tire a little bit. And then if you have any soap, just soap the tire on the side of the edges so it can work really nice, so the plastic can slide in really nice. I'll show you right now how. Okay, so right now we're gonna put some on the side so we can slide the cover really nice in. Nice. Sure everything's covered. Now we're gonna install this. Where would you like it, Bob? Right here? Okay, we're gonna start with in. Then we hit it a little bit. Then start working your weight on it. Nice like that. Alright guys, so the next step is to put these covers, and as you can see, I've already installed one, and the only thing you have to do is put these clamps like this, in this position. You have to put the clamps first. I'm gonna show you on the other side how you can do it. Okay, so the first one is gonna go like, you have to present it first. Actually, this is for the front. You're gonna present it first. It's gonna go like this. It sits perfectly. Okay. So we have to put the clamps like this. Put first that one like that, and with your finger you're gonna push it down, all the way down until it clamps. And then you're gonna put the lower one as well, like this, and we're gonna do the same thing. Push it all the way up until you find the right spot. If you need something to help you, can get a screwdriver or something. Now we're gonna put our cover on the side. You see, if you need a little bit more, like to go, you have to move it more front. You can take it off, just put it more front. with that. Now we check it again. As you can see, the line's perfect now. Just push that one in. Use the 10mm ratchet. And voila. Alright, stop. And it's not gonna move. Make sure everything's tight. Make sure it's not gonna fall or something. And let's go to the front now. Also, this kit comes with instructions for the front and the back. I'll leave a picture of this in the description so you can see it. Now we're gonna put this one on the front. So we just present it, how it's gonna look. Now we get our clips. This is gonna be a little bit different. So we just going to present these two. We're gonna go like this. I believe. Oh, they're gonna go like this. This is gonna go right here, and the other one is gonna go like this. See if they're different. They're the same. All of them are the same. Just presenting the product. One is gonna go like that, and make sure that thing doesn't hit the rotor. It's really close to it, so be careful with that. In place.
Seguro que no está muy pegado.
Then we tighten this. We tighten it. The other one. Not too tight, just enough. Go. That's good. Let's go to the next one. Alright guys, so the car is finished, and as you can see, it gives a lot of different look right now. It looks so cool. See, all the tires are now nice and shine. And now it's time to take this car to the road, give it a wash on the tires, and take it back to the customer. I hope you like this video guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye.